Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to add multiple photos on iPhone lock screen. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first is to access your lock screen customization. Unlock your iPhone but don't go to the home screen. Press and hold to the lock screen until the customization screen appears. Tap the plus icon or select customize if you're editing an existing lock screen. Now, in the options for lock screen style, select Photo Shuffle. This will allow multiple photos to automatically shuffle as your lock screen. Now, tap on Select Photos manually or choose from Suggested Photos or Featured Photos. If you select manually, browse your gallery and tap on the photos you want to include. You can select multiple images. After selecting your photos, you can choose how often they change. On tap, hourly, daily, or every lock. Now, after choosing the shuffle settings, tap Done to save. Your lock screen will now automatically change between the photos you selected based on the chosen frequency. And there you have it. You now have a lock screen that rotates through multiple photos. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!